I'll tell you why the caged bird sings. Is to attract a cat big enough and strong enough to knock down the cage off of its hook, you know. You're in the hopes that the cage will break and it'll be able to worm its way out and take to the air again. Maybe you get caught in the stove. Well, that doesn't. I don't know how that would happen. Anyway, I came across a bird. It was caught in the stove. It had gone crazy. I hope somehow it recovered itself. Reached in and, tried to maneuver it out. Eventually I did that, and then I opened up the window as it flew around, batting at the blinds and with its wings and so on. It eventually got out. You could come across the man of your dreams, the woman of your dreams tomorrow. It could be totally unexpected. And when that moment comes, just acting on impulse is a good idea, And just saying whatever comes to mind is a good idea. And just, if you feel that pull, if you feel that attraction, there's that's a possibility. At least maybe I was conditioned. I don't know. What I understand, what I read, and what I've heard, other people experience this too. And if you focus enough on understanding and loving that person, then there's a way forward, And I hope that's true for me. Hope that's true. We'll see. We will see. I need to get a job. I need to buy a sousaphone. And I'll construct that spiral ruby clutching coil. I can zap these implants then. I'll need to go out to the country. I'll need to build this prison majestic. That could be the name of a sitcom. Set the house up just like a set. Add in laugh tracks, Have some hokey intro music. A montage, A delusional hick with too many ideas, but there's some complexities to him. We find out, I don't know. Find out he's really a spy, just kind of gradually by the third episode. We thought it was a comedy, but it turns very dark in some ways. Then we find out it's a little like Silent Hill, you know, and all the people he's killed, you know, or caused to die, are surrounding the place, and he runs into them, you know, in the night, in the foggy night, you know. We find out his wife is only a memory, you know, of a girl he passed by in a coffee shop, and all this is occurring as he lays dying. That may be a future art project that I really seriously undertake. You know, children appear out of the blue. He's teaching them survival skills and martial arts and how to milk goats, and then the goats just goes to drink the raw milk and it disappears. Stuff like that. This comic called Fear Face. Uh, it's about this very appealing young man who's an artist, you know, and he paints landscapes and people and street scenes and stuff he sees, you know, in a happy hand, you know. But he also sees the darkness, all the shady shit going on. Come to find out, he's a mind control victim. You know, he's being stalked. He likes to deny it. You know, he's being manipulated. He's under mind control. He runs into some girl on the street who's in who's a little like him and is in greater need, you know, and he takes her in, and he's very, very distrustful. He thinks that she's a spy. He thinks that she's going to let some people in while he's in the bathroom, you know. And that'll be the end, you know. Although take more stuff from him. He'll take that piece he's been working on, you know. He's been working on for 5 years. Piece of art that'll change the whole world. Masterwork. Anyway, I guess they team up and they're, you know, he's maybe it's not a love interest thing. It turns out, but you know, she's uh his assistant, and he's working on, you know, he's you know trying to, you know, be a therapeutic force in her life, and you know, and it's a little bit, you know, it's a little bit things get a little warm and sometimes a little too almost too hot to handle, but a little bit of sexual tension there. Just not quite, yeah. Just adds to the drama, and then I don't know, you know, I don't know. Maybe he thinks somebody else is more suitable. We see he's having these strange visions of himself as like a female superhero. Like, so in the intermittently, like in this video game or this movie, like, you see little, like, you see sections of this comic book strewn around, you know. You get to write in it, as part of the interactive experience. You get to draw in it. Yeah, it's a very accelerated program, though. It's real quick, so it's not, and it teaches you how to draw if you want more engagement. It teaches you all kinds of art, little tricks and nuances and techniques and things, simultaneously teaching you about science. So it's got all my technologies in it. It's got all these weapon systems and just all kinds of stuff to enhance life, life hacking stuff. So at times he's transforming into this fear face that has these really strange. He has all these strange patterns all over his clothes and his body. What does he have? He's just got oh, he's very conventional in a lot of ways in terms of he uses real techniques that are employed in the underground, uh, by criminals and just by people looking to defend themselves, and keep that hope alive, so they can get to outer heaven eventually, in every direction to the south, every direction.